This is our Accelerations Feelings and Emotions collection with books written by our very own Angela French.
You are going to love these books. As you can see, everything in this set coordinates. So let's talk a little bit about the books. At the beginning of each book, it gives the adult some information on emotions and feelings. It also helps the students identify different ways that emotions might look on different people. But the thing I love the most is that it features real photography. We all know how important that is for kids to connect and to see themselves within the text. At the end of each book, we have real-world questions and connections, as well as tips on reading with children. These books are all available in English and
Español.
Sí, señorita. This set also features dolls that are available on our website.
Our dolls can be purchased in sets of 4, and they show their emotions on their faces and their outfits.
Yes, on the front of every outfit has the emotion written in English and in Spanish. The other thing we have in this collection is our set of blocks. We love these wood blocks with rounded corners that are fun for students to play with, to add to block collections they already have, or to play a matching game with. I think you're truly going to love this set, and you'll see this is going to be a benefit for every classroom, daycare, or home.